I have never done this before. I have never channeled these feelings in any of my vlogs. Hello everyone, it's been a long time. I'm going to share some of my plans right now and sort of want to rant out. Well, I'm in my last semester of university and I gotta finish it as soon as possible, and I gotta study a lot, as you may know. But the thing is, I also work part-time, so it's been so difficult for me to tackle with all these schedules, and just accept all the responsibilities. Thankfully, my job is part-time, so I don't have to work like 9 to 5, and I'm free most of the time. But still, when I get home, I may feel very tired, so I just go to sleep right away. Don't call me lazy. Thus, I have to plan a lot, and I have to edit my videos, post on different platforms, and also study. And I'm also learning a new language. The thing is, I don't focus on only one thing. I focus on multiple things at the same time. I told my boss that I'm gonna quit my job for a while because this is my last semester, so I have to focus on my studies. I just want to do my best in every possible way, but at the same time, I don't want to do some useless, trivial stuff that do not help me in any ways. So the job I'm currently doing, I cannot say they're useful because the salary is not ideal, and I cannot quit them either because they're my jobs, right? They're the things that I can do and I'm good at. So I'm just trying to find a different way every time. A lot of people say that, yeah, just quit YouTube. YouTube is not helping you, you're not growing that much, but still, I cannot quit YouTube because YouTube is my passion as well. And also I've been focusing and putting effort a lot on my YouTube channel for less than, let's say, more or less 4 years. I don't want to lose this community. I don't want to lose the, this vibe, even if it's little, I don't want to lose it. Even though it's not growing that much, but still I have found many friends on social media, on different platforms, not only on YouTube. So I don't want to lose this place. It takes tons of hours for you to be able to upload your videos, edit everything, and just cut everything out, and just record videos and everything. Those who have done it already know, but in case you don't know, I'm just trying to explain better. I have never done this before. I have never channeled these feelings in any of my vlogs. I have never done that, but I'm just gonna share some of my thoughts right now because my mind is so preoccupied I cannot even explain. At the end, you all are my friends, and this is the community that I have, and I would like to just do it and be honest and be transparent over here. So I love tennis and I would like to do it. Tennis is a thing that is not happening on my way. I don't know how to describe it, but it's just not on my way. As much as I'm trying to reach it, it's not happening in my way. I found tennis by chance, Okay, so I kind of changed the lighting. I think this one's better, way better. Well, as I was saying, these are my schedules: studying, working, and also YouTube. YouTube is not my work. It's not anything right now. I'm doing it. I don't know why I'm doing it. I don't know why I'm doing YouTube or like any other social media platforms. Like, you might say, okay, so you can quit, but I don't want to quit. I'm at a point that I cannot put away any of the things I'm doing right now because it's been almost 4 years, as I said, that I'm doing social media. First of all, as I was saying, I found tennis by chance. I was gonna find a sport that I could be really good at. I thought of volleyball, I thought of badminton, I thought of chess, but I literally never thought of tennis. I had never had a chance of playing tennis in my life, like even once. Until that time that I was gonna go for badminton gym. On my way, like gym that I was going to consists of many other places that you can go, like swimming classes or swimming section, and I got badminton section in the next place and in the neighborhood, and also it's got volleyball gym. So they were all in one place, but they were like separated. And I found tennis here, like tennis was here. And I was going like this on my way to go to badminton gym. And then I saw, oh, they're playing tennis. I knew what that sport was, but I had never played that even once. Let's say, in short, I fell in love with tennis. And then I went for tennis, just played that. But then, let's say after a while, that sport, that love is not occurring on my way. I don't know how to explain that. Yeah, I don't know where to find the good condition. The good condition is not on the way. Someone that can really, be helpful in this way. I have not found that person. You know why some people say that you are the only one that can do this, that can make a change? And I'm like, okay, but not in every single occasion, not in every single field. For example, things like this needs another person to play with you. You cannot play like only with a wall. You need another person to play with you, and also you need a good mentor. You need a good field. You need everything. You need like tools and gadgets to really help you. You just cannot do everything alone. And also you need financial matters and everything. Everything is important. But yeah, it's 9 p.m. and I've got work, studies, social media. Let's see what I can do, right? At the end, we're not gonna lose our hope. We're not gonna lose the light that's inside of us, right? we're just so strong and powerful, in my opinion, all of us, this generation. So if you're watching this video, I'm just gonna say that you're not alone. First of all, you can do many things. I think I talked a lot, but I'm also an introvert, so I'm and also overthinker. I don't know if my words, my thoughts, and my sayings generally are good to listen to. I'm not really sure about that. And let's study more. Of course, the goal is to be powerfully educated, right? The goal is to be powerfully educated. Let's do it. you.